Now all that system is really good, but the best system in the car is if you have your charging lead, you plug your charging lead into there like so, and then into your phone, Apple CarPlay. It brings up a new menu. We want Apple CarPlay. I should have clicked remember this device. CarPlay, finish setting up CarPlay. I need to click that. Allow CarPlay with Jaguar I Pace while phone is locked. Allow. Once you've plugged in the cable like so, you can just do anything. However, that's attached to a cable. Now, a company have sent me this Linky Fun CarPlay adapter box. So this is it. That's it. It's got a USB on it. This will plug into the USB socket in the center armrest. So I'm going to take that charging cable out. You'll see my Apple CarPlay has gone off. Uncouple that, and then I'm going to put this in here. Now this fits in okay. Some cars it won't fit in because, you know, it'll catch. It'll go in one way but not the other. So what I do, I've got one of these little extension leads here. I'll just show you. So it will now, that's all it needs to do. So it will plug in anywhere. So, and it also allows me just to have this out to show you. So I'll plug that in there like so. We'll just see what happens. We've got some lights on there. Apple CarPlay. Now, Apple CarPlay. Remember this device, Apple CarPlay. It's thinking about it. It should give me a message. Use iPhone Bluetooth, connect to AI box BT. Right, so I'll put that down. Now what I have to do, go here, watch out at the bottom. Use iPhone Bluetooth, connect to AI box BT 8600. It's come up. I click on that. It's thinking about it. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Use CarBox. Sorry, use CarPlay with. Use CarPlay. And there we go. So we've now got, thanks to this little thing, we've now got wireless CarPlay. I can put that in, lock it away. Every time I get in this car now, it will recognize my phone and Apple CarPlay will come on. It's the best system ever. I'm just going to turn it up. So I don't need to touch this anymore now. With voice activation, I showed you how to set the sat-nav before. It's a ball ache. With voice activation, the voice activation button here, click for 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
The go button has come up here, but if you leave it, that's it. It's now going to take me to Manchester Airport. Don't have to take my hands off the steering wheel. If I want to stop for a coffee on the way, 2 seconds. Take me to Costa Coffee.
One possibility is Costa Coffee on Queen Street in Preston. It adds 9 minutes to your route. Does that one sound good?
Yes.
Getting directions to Costa Coffee.
So that will take me out of my way on the way to Manchester Airport to get a coffee, and then it will reroute me back to Manchester Airport. It's a fantastic system. This updates all the time. Your ordinary sat nav is a pain, and it's out of date, and it's clunky to flipping program. This is brilliant. You get near home, it's still giving you directions which you don't want. 2 seconds on voice activation. End navigation.
Ending navigation.
You want to play a record, a single record. Play Glory by The Score.
Now playing Glory by The Score.
If I just go there, as you can see, so that's a single record. Again, 2 seconds on voice activation. Shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
That will shuffle music. Again, you're driving along, you want to send a text. Text Barrie.
What would you like to say to Barrie?
Just driving this Jaguar I Pace EV. It's a lot better than I expected. I think it's great.
It says, just driving this Jaguar EV, it's a lot better than I expected. I think it's great. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send. You want to read your messages? Read messages.
Barrie said, just driving this Jaguar EV, it's a lot better than I expected. I think it's great. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
You want to make a telephone call? Again, I'll just hold this so you can see. 2 seconds. Call Barrie.
Calling Barrie, iPhone.
There you go, it's calling me.
Hi, this is Barrie. Sorry I can't take your call at the moment. But if you leave your name and number after the tone, I'll get...
That's it, calls me. It's absolutely fantastic. Mirrors your phone. That's telling you what you've got on the radio here. It's the 12 tellers. I don't know why that's come up because I haven't been there for years. But anyway, if it said Nico's, I could understand that. So that's the map there. We click on the multi-view, phone, music, maps, messages, settings, calendar, audiobooks, podcast. And just go on there. Music, Audible, Ringo, that's for parking, Spotify, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, Line. It's got everything, and Zap Map there, which in an EV you must be logged in and subscribed to our premium service too. Great, okay. So that's it. That's how you use the audio system in the Jaguar I Pace. It's great when it's coupled up with your charging lead. It's even better when you have this little linky fun CarPlay adapter. It's very discreet. Normally you only need that. I carry this around because that's the wrong hand for a Range Rover, which I usually use, because the USB sockets are right over this other side, so it won't go in. So I need this little, cable, male to female cable. But it's absolutely brilliant. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.